everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my Speed Clean UK 2019. I'm taking down the Christmas decorations today and having a deep clean. So if you haven't seen my old Christmas video, I'll link that in the description box below, but you know the drill. I have storage boxes that I get from B&M stores, which are really cheap to purchase, and I colour coordinate them into the boxes, so all the red decorations go in one box, the white decorations go in another box, as you know, and then I pop a little sticker on the boxes saying exactly what's in there, and they get stored in the loft. I also purchased some tree storage bags which are really strong, but I seriously underestimated how many decorations I had and I ran out. So I had to put the kitchen Christmas tree back into its box, as you're going to see, but we're going to get stuck straight in and not ramble and start stripping the tree. I know it's really early to be taking the Christmas decorations down, but I'm going to be in work now until the 10th of January, and there's no way that I want the decorations up staying for that long, and I do not trust Lee enough to take the decorations down and store them away the way that I do. It just makes it easier for me at Christmas time. The Christmas tree was absolutely beautiful and I was so sad to take it down, but it definitely had to be done because there was no way I could have left it.
I feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it?
I had micro LED lights on this tree which are like a little wire, so I used a little toilet roll holder. I collected these for about 3 months because I thought I'd need loads. And I basically just cut a little piece in, as you can see, and that helps to tuck the wire in when I'm finished. The tube is great because I just push all the wire into the centre of the tube and then wrap the micro wire around the toilet roll holder, and it just keeps the lights from getting all tangled. And next year when I take them out of the toilet roll tube, they will be all perfect, ready to go back on the tree. But they're so much easier to take off when you do them up and down the tree. And as you can see, I took the ends of the wire into the little hole, and then next year I've just got to pull it out, attach it to the top of the tree and put them back on, and it's nice and easy. Little cheap hack. You can tell I watched Art Attack as a kid, can't you?
Surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time.
Don't you just love my new little Eubank cleaner? It's not Eubank, it's actually made by Karcher, but this was the best £30 that I think I've ever spent. It reminds me of the Eubank that my nana used to have years and years ago, and you basically just plug this one in, charge it, the charge lasts forever, and it's great for just little bits, you know, without having to lug around a big hoover or anything like that. It's not noisy, and basically just picks the bits up. The best £30 I have ever spent on that little hoover. I'm going to link it in the description box below for anyone who may want to purchase one. It cost me £30. I think I did get it when there was a sale on, but it's ideal. It's not heavy if you suffer with a bad back or bad shoulders or anything like that. I mean, obviously you can't use it on carpets. I have a mat well in the hall and it works on that, but I couldn't use it on the rug or anything like that. But absolutely great on hard floor, tiles, anything like that, any little bits. It's great. I highly recommend this little hoover.
I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind.
And now we're moving on to the kitchen tree. It was when I was taking these decorations off that I realised that I actually didn't have enough storage bags, because I'd put the tree skirts in there and the nutcrackers off the fireplace and the fireplace garland. So I had to send Lee up into the loft to get me the box out from this Christmas tree, and I had to put it back into its box, which I don't like to do because I always have to fight to get the tree back in the box. I don't know what it is, but the tree seems to grow 4 feet and expand by about 7 foot. So getting it back in the box is a bit of a struggle, but I got it in there in the end.
I'm not over you, keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, demons pushing all my triggers.
Now it's time to clean up. So there was quite a bit of snowflock on the floor, which is standard with snowflock trees. So I used the Dyson to pick it up because it might have just been a little bit too much for me Karcher. So yeah, just cleaning around, washing the skirting boards, and where the dogs have run in and out, there was like little splashes on the wall. So I do use a washable paint in my kitchen. So I just used a little bit of the Method all-purpose cleaner to clean it all down, clean the skirting boards, and it felt so nice to have the trees put away and just have that space back. So where these plants are now, I'm now going to look for a very large mirror for this wall, and I'm going to have the Christmas tree there next year and just do one tree, and I'm just going to have it there. So yeah, that's my little idea for this year. So stay tuned, you'll see a nice mirror on that wall soon. And now I'm just going to get stuck in and clean the kitchen, because I don't know whether you're anything like me, but the kitchen just doesn't seem to stay clean over Christmas. So much going on, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I absolutely love the mess of Christmas, I really do. But it's also nice to have a good deep clean. So the kitchen gets a nice deep clean now.
Love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mad love, mad love, mad love. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mad love, mad love, mad love. He make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, Mad love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mad love, mad love, mad love.
No matter what I use, I never seem to get that shiny surface after I've used the Method all-purpose cleaner, or any cleaning products to be fair, unless they're not eco-friendly. I do use a glass cleaner sometimes, but I just find going over them with a bit of kitchen paper, it stops leaving that streaky residue on the surfaces, which is so much nicer. So yeah, I use a little bit of kitchen roll, and if you have the same problem, give it a little try and it'll work.
Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
And that's it. I'm going to give the floors a nice little mop, and that's all the decorations down and the house nice and clean, so I haven't got to worry about any little gaps that I have between work, having to worry about getting the decorations down. So yeah, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's inspired you and got you in the mood for taking your decorations down. I know it's really sad to take them down, but I had to do it obviously due to work commitments. But I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because I've got lots of content coming for January. I'm starting the declutter diaries again. I done them last year and everybody loved them, so I'm bringing them back. I do have some pre-filmed already, ready for editing, and we start in the kitchen cupboards. And oh my god, it felt so good. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. I only used 2 cleaning products, and that was my Method all-purpose cleaner and the Barkeeper's Friend to clean the sink and the hob. So yeah, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. See you soon. Bye.